The Hansgrohe Ecostat 1001 CL features an ergonomic design that allows users to easily set water volume and temperature, ensuring a comfortable showering experience. This thermostatic shower mixer maintains a consistent water temperature even during pressure fluctuations, providing reliable protection against sudden changes in temperature. The eco-handle position allows water to flow at a maximum of 10 liters per minute, promoting efficient water usage without compromising comfort. The chrome finish of the Hansgrohe Ecostat 1001 CL is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also easy to clean, offering a lasting shine that enhances any modern bathroom decor. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the product's compatibility with existing water outlets, making it an ideal choice for renovations without needing extensive plumbing work. With safety features such as a temperature limitation setting and a non-return valve, the Ecostat 1001 CL ensures safe and clean water usage for years to come.